Finish him! Tom wins.
Hey, Sean. I have a dream. This dream allows everyone to be equal. And by equal, I'm talking about no more having to share the lima beans at dinner time. No more having to split up the mashed potatoes so everyone gets some. We don't have to worry about that anymore. Now, we all get the mashed potatoes. Everyone does. Where am I anyway? What's going on? Well, why is this American flag behind me? Where is my mom and dad? Hello? 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 Help! Hello? Where am I? Mashed potatoes for everyone. No one has to eat.
Here at the Hewitt Technical Center, we provide the most technical of Hewitts any school can offer. As you can see, we are a hands-on learning environment, and responsibility is our #1 policy. Mr. Sleeper has provided a wonderful environment for his students to work in. Also, at the center of our technical Hewitts, we have an astounding recording studio for anyone in the multimedia communications classroom to use for their educational videos. Thank you.
Hey, baby girls. Does your man not have the time of day to hear about yo gossip? Does he not care about your new hairdo? Well, no need to fret, sugar, cause we got yo solution. Call the number on your screen to talk to one of the many caring men that want to have a deep and romantic conversation about anything your heart desires. From discussing politics to wondering why LaQuisha gave you that funny look. Just call that number, baby girl, and all your worries will melt away.